YouTube, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Amanda, Miss Glamazon Fab over 40. Today we are doing our hair. As you can see, I have some routage and I have decided that I just can't tolerate routage and having to do it every 4 weeks. So I am going to attempt a DIY balayage. To that end, I have split my hair all the way down. I have mixed 20 volume developer with half a tube of 8. My hair is a 10 or an 11, say more like an 11. So I've mixed half a tube of 8 and a quarter of a tube of 10, which will give me around a 9.5, which would be a bit darker than this, but not a kick in the teeth. So I have split my hair in two, and I'm afraid, lads, I am going to have to focus like fuck now. Take my glasses off. Oh, this should be good. Right, and I'm going to start by applying this in the middle part. I'm bringing it down a little, middle part. Very, very gently at the front where your blonde is. As I say, I'm going for a blonde balayage. My version of a blonde balayage. Okay, and then we are going down this side. You can all watch this, lads. Okay, we're going down this side to make sure that we have routage covered. Okay. And we're following this down the centre of the head where we have it split. Now, I can't really see very well, but I don't care because I know I have it split, so it makes no odds. I'm going to follow this down. Follow this bastard down. The split, to make sure I have it fully split. Then you take the colour. Jesus, I have this mixed up enough. I have plenty of it in it, loads of colour, right? And bucket, I can wash them. And you lift your hair up, I can wash the clothes on me. Colour will come off them. And you basically, you're doing your roots in around here, around the edges, all the way down. You have to remember that this is a slightly darker blonde and I'm not using 30 vol because I have to be honest with you, lads, my hair's falling out in clumps. It's in bits. The condition of my hair is ragged. So I decided that today was the day that I went slightly darker. Okay, so we are following this around. Hopefully I haven't missed anything underneath. As I've explained to you guys, I cannot see a fucking thing. So I'm just going by feel. Behind my ears. And you have to be as quick as you can with this. Okay, and then the same on this side, but I'm going to leave it tied back. And just barely tip the roots here at the front because I want to keep my, what the Americans call the money piece. Okay. My niece Jenny, if you're watching this, honey, this might be a suggestion for you if you're ever interested in toning down your blonde. See how this turns out for your Auntie Mandy. I'd always do it for you, love, if you wanted me to. Okay, so again, look at this. Jesus fucking Christ. My language is going to be choice during this, lads. Don't mind it. Now, to the best of my ability, I have done that. Okay, so we're just going to top up them roots a bit again. Next part of the process. Okay, we are doing a balayage. So we're going to split this vertically, or I'm not sure if this is vertically or horizontally or what way this is, but whatever way it is, it's the way it's being split. And I'm going to take a claw and I'm going to claw this bastard out of my way. Okay, then we take some colour. Just hope I have enough colour to do the whole head. We do the roots, back that way. We do the roots forward, bringing it down as much as you want or need. Now I'm bringing it down very little in the first few grooves here because I want to keep the money piece, as the Americans call it. So you're going vertically down the head. See that? I'm as awkward as a sack of fucking arseholes. I haven't got hands to bless myself on a good day. Right? So you want to make sure the thickness of this, of each strand, going in behind the ear now, you can see through it. If you can see through it, which I can with this, then you can colour it. Right, so what you're doing here now is you're taking the second piece and you're going this way, and you're bringing it down, then you're bringing it forward, like so, making sure it's not too thick, bringing back at it that you feel shouldn't be in it, and you're colouring it this way, and you're bringing it down over your roots. You can see what I'm doing here, lads. I'm bringing it back over your roots. So you are in fact getting all your hair, but you're not going to have any lines. Then you section it again for the next section. I'm just going to use the brush for this bit. Okay, and you're bringing it forward again. Okay, that piece is done. This does not take long. So again, you're taking the next section. Once you can see through the section, it's the correct thickness for balayage. And you take it on the roots this way. Sit down, you cunt. Right, you take it this way. Saturate the roots as much as you can or need to. I don't care where the colour goes at this stage. And then you're bringing it forward. And you're doing the roots here as well. You're bringing it forward and you're bringing it down as much as you want to. And you're bringing it back this way. Okay, my friends, so you get the drift of what I'm doing? Right. Because of this has to be done quick, I am going to have to stop this video and come back to you when I have both sides done and show you the next step of the process, okay? Okay peeps, we're back and I have applied it all in vertical straight. Oh, look at this. Get the fuck on my hand, punt, my yoke. Right, I've applied it all going forward from the middle at the back in vertical stripes. Okay, so the next thing I do is I clip it up at the back, like so. I have no idea what way this is going to turn out, and I honestly don't give a shit. And I just very gently, with one swipe, comb downward. Very gently, one swipe, comb downward. There you go, that's that section done. What that's going to do, my friends, I hope, is blend the colour down. Because handicap Hannah here hasn't got hands to fucking scratch her fucking arse with. Okay, and then we'll just do the same on this side very briefly, quickly brush it down, but don't let the comb stall anywhere on the back or you'll end up with patchiness. Okay, so what we're doing is we're blending this colour down the hair as best we can. Okay, we're blending it down. Make sure that we blend it down. One go, and that's it. One go, and that's it. And that, my friends, is it for 40 minutes till this sets. Just make sure I have it done right here. It's hard to fucking know, lads, what way this is going to turn out. I just hope it turns out nice, you know. But sure, you know what? If you're not in, you can't win. That's the leftover colour. If I need to do anything else with it, I'll leave it there. That is it for the next 40 minutes. When I come back, my hair will be complete and styled and blow dried and the whole lot, and you can all have a look and see what way it turns out. I'm not sure what time it is now, but I will be timing it for 40 minutes. Then I'll be getting into the shower and I'll be rinsing it out and hoping for the very best that it doesn't look like a complete shit. Just, yeah, hopefully please God, it'll look nice. Okay, lads, talk to you in about an hour. The finished style, everybody. My hair is reverse balayaged using a darker blonde, using a, well, it's not a dark, it's a 8 and a 9 mixed, or 8 and a 10, one of the others. It's either 8 and a 9, 8, it's a half a tube of 8 with a small amount of 10 or a small amount of 9. I don't know which. I would literally have to go and look and see which one it is. But lads, I am delighted with it. I think it came out nice. My routage is kind of disguised a bit, and this will grow out nicely, and all I'll have to do is just in here and it'll be happy days. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please consider joining my little family here. I post videos at least one a week, some weeks 2. If at all possible, I will post 2 videos a week. So join the family, join the fun. Thanks for watching, everyone. And I hope if any of you are considering transitioning to a slightly darker blonde, that my results might give you food for thought. Have a lovely day. Take care. Bye.